7 to 4. So I've been pretty good. I've been working on and off trying to find the right job around the schedule curfew.
Okay, well, I tell you what, be very careful with the diesel loading that.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't let somebody say, oh, I'm just going to smoke a cigarette. And so do we want to keep him on? Can we?
Judge, Mr. Coleman has finished his parenting classes. Since he's been released, there were some concerns from his probation officer as far as not getting some documentation and as far as his work is concerned, but he did show me the documentation and sent me some via email that I'll scan into the system. He has been following the guidelines of the GPS. He's not had any violations or anything like that.
So let me ask you, because I have him on curfew, right?
Yes, Judge.
So
We
can we move towards just tracking?
So Judge, I was going to ask for either tracking or just straight up removal. If the court is inclined,
See, here's the thing.
maybe tracking for 30 days.
I like to do things in step by step.
Yes, ma'am.
So you've been on curfew. There have been no issues with curfew. So what I'll do is I'll do tracking only. So there's no curfew.
So I can leave whenever?
Yes.
Okay.
So it'll be tracking, but continue to do everything that you need to do. And then what we'll do is we'll do another update with you. And if there are no issues, I will remove it. So whether or not it gets removed at our next setting is completely in your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So when do you want to come back for that?
So Judge, since I'm asking for it to be on tracking for 30 days, I would ask for us to come back in 30 days.
Okay.
And I am also asking that if he is at work or employed at that time, that he appear via Zoom.
Are you able to do Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you won't have to come into court. You can do Zoom. And we will do tracking only.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you.
And Judge, I just have one more request. Since he has finished his parenting classes, I'm asking that we give him credit for a part of his community service hours.
Okay.
And then upon completion of his BIP class, I'm requesting that the remaining hours he gets credit for.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right. It's too hot to be working outside. And I'm going to tell you what my mom told me with my very first job. Read the pamphlet, know the breaks that they're supposed to give you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Norma, if I can have a 30-day reset.
July 20th.
All right, so we'll be back on July 20th. You can appear by Zoom. And then if there are no issues, your GPS will be removed.
Thank you so much.
And then you'll receive the credit for completion of the parenting classes. And then you say he has BIP as a condition?
Yes, Judge. That was given as a condition.
It's a 4-month. The BIP is kind of a struggle on me because I don't have it. Without employment.
We're going to take care of that right now. Because I know that there's an issue with the pricing. Can we, because is he on BIP?
So, hold on one second, Judge, I'm so sorry.
Because can we, if he is on BIP, can we just change that to an anger management class or something that is, because I really don't think that that's the issue. I think the other issue had to do with medications.
So Judge, when he was first granted probation back in 2020, that was a condition. It wasn't something that came up afterwards.
All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Vashon, change it to anger management. BIP is very expensive.
Anger management.
And so you just do anger management class. And I'm gonna note that the reason why the court is changing that is due to financials.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anything else, Judge?
No, that's all.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Have a good one. Keep up the good work.
Yeah.
All right, who is next?
Mary Balance. Go ahead, please. For Mary Balance. She's on page 8, one down.
Mary Ballinger. All right, are y'all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I need the motion to revoke.
Did you do the certification of appeals? Can you go grab one from the wall over there? Yes. Ms. Bellinger, I'll wait to the front for mine.
Thank you.
I think bottom right.
And Cindy, I see you put butterscotch up here for me. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing this morning?
Again.
Okay. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 001934 State versus Mary Arlene Ballinger. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
For the defense?
Secretary Ayala for the defense, Your Honor.
All right, are you Miss Ballinger?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review this document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? You need to say yes or no.
Ma'am.
All right, are you the same Mary Arlene Ballinger who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 001934 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 less than 1 gram on March 24th, 2025 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 43 on or about the 24th day of April 2026 in Liberty County, Texas. The defendant, Mary Arlene Ballinger, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum Care of Treatment Plan, in that the defendant signed 3 refusals of treatment due to refusing the program and signing 3 program refusals. The treatment team recommend a program removal and CJAD approved in violation of condition number 43.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 43, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 43?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 43 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion, amend the underlying adjudication and sentence to 14 months in the state jail.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will revoke, sentence you to 14 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. And I'll request the therapeutic community for you. The therapeutic community doesn't increase the time that you're in custody. It's designed to help you with any drug issues or
Okay.
mental health issues that you may have. Because, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney, and the court is also going to order no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, your excuse. Thank you.
Have a seat, ma'am. Over there, where you were at.
All right, who's next?
It's Christopher Ortiz, page 2 down.
Christopher Ortiz.
And we approach Judge.
Yes.
Thank
Hello.
Hello, Your Honor.
Hi, so where are we on this case?
Judge, we received what we were missing was videos. We have
Mhm.
received them. We have not had the chance to go through them all, but we have received them.
All right, has the state tendered an offer?
They have tendered an offer.
All right, how old are you? Okay. All right, Norma, I need a plea deadline date, 3 weeks. Yes.
That would be July 9th.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse, have a good one. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, who's next?
Yeah,
I'm liking the tie.
let me see. For Brendan,
entitled.
on page 5, 3 down.
Brandon Trevino.
Me,
Yes.
Yeah, I find it.
Okay.
Oh, geez.
All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I've been conferring with the state. We're missing a 911 call and they were looking up to find that. This is our first time to talk to them about it.
Okay,
Yes, Judge. I was gonna send the email to the arresting agency. It does appear we do have the call sheet that indicates there was a 911 call. Couldn't tell you why it was indicted without it. I don't have an answer to that.
all right, Norma, we call this in 30 days for discovery, or do you want it brought back on the same day as your other client?
30 days is fine, Judge.
30 days?
30 days, I would prefer the 30 days.
All right, Norma, 30 days for discovery. All right, once you sign the reset form, you excuse. All right, who's next?
We have Nico on page 5 to down.
Nicandro Sanchez.
Not here yet, Judge. She's downstairs.
Okay, who's next?
Jeffrey Davila, page 3 to down.
Jeffrey Davila. All right, do you have all discovery?
The older case of DWI arises out of the same incident as something they just indicted, an ag assault, but it's now going to be the controlling case. We've talked about a global offer, but the ag assault, I don't know if I have everything on that. That's recently indicted. It does come out of the same incident.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 45 days.
We are talking about a global offer. We're trying to see if we can work something out.
August 3rd. 3rd.
All right, once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Who's next?
For Marion, page 1 down.
Marion Dahar.
She's not here, down, she's still downstairs.
Okay.
I work to the end. You did. I did. She worked until the end too. Yeah, do you see De La Vega on Zoom? Or do I need to holler? Oh, she has it? Okay, cool.
No, he's not on Zoom.
He's not?
No.
Okay. I will wrangle the calf. Thank
Mhm.
you.
Are you ready for the next one, Judge?
Yes.
Discovery other written check on page 9 at the bottom.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, page 8 at the bottom. Sorry.
Thank you. Ruben Check. Yes, counsel.
I'm asking for a 30-day reset. The two new number ones on the MTR have not been filed yet or indicted. And she has another case in another county that she's on probation for, pre-existed this probation.
State. All right, defense needs the evidence on the tampering, physical evidence or something.
Are you on those? Are you a counsel on those cases? Okay.
I'm on this one also. I kicked off until he agreed. It's fine.
Roger that. Okay, if he's on counsel, then I'll get him the discovery judge
All
as
right.
much as we have.
And you need to make sure you're on time for court. Court is at 9 a.m., okay? All right, Norma
Yes, sir.
and probation, this is gonna be set for contested in 30 days.
Okay, Judge, and who is it?
It's Ruben Chalk.
Gabriela Raquel
How
Rubin.
do you pronounce your last name?
It's Ruben, like the boy, and check like a check.
Okay, Ruben Check.
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, Norma, what date?
You said 30 days?
Yes.
I can do the July 20th.
I would have picked it myself.
I love when you say that.
And I usually say that. Can you still come on Saturday?
Yeah, just send me a text.
No, I don't do that.
Okay, I forgot to have your wife,
Okay,
because otherwise I won't know.
I was gonna write it down for you.
Oh, here we are.
See, I'm technically proficient with pen.
I like it. All right, who's next?
For Victor de la Vega.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get him on Zoom.
Oh, okay.
I missed my shot.
All right, Edgar Pascal Santa Cruz Trejo. Oh, is that you? Just have a seat. Victor Elijah de la Vega.
That gentleman's on Zoom.
No.
I'm trying to make sure he gets logged on.
All right, thank you. Rodney Yanez. Bobby Lee Jones.
Oh, okay, yeah, you can pause it. They crazy? What's her name? That is the clear. Oh, I thought it was complicated. This is the gun on the show. Not very.
Is that, who is the Rucker Carrizales? All righty, guys, once the jury comes up, we're gonna proceed with jury selection. Anyone ready?
I'm gonna say this.
Deputy Laura, that raspberry electrolyte is very good. Hi, and we have
And
them
they're
here.
here, Judge.
Yes, thank you. Who's ready?
Okay.
I am Your Honor,
We
Valerie
have
D.
Victor
Rodriguez.
Delegace, Page 31 down.
Victor De La Vega. You said page 3, 1 down?
Yes, yes.
They're not here. All right, who's next?
Are you set on June?
His attorney's not here.
Sorry. Valerie D. Rodriguez, she's on page 8 or down.
Valerie D. Rodriguez.
I'll let her know. Thank you.
Oh, are the jurors outside?
Yes, Judge.
All right, so we can start.
You're gonna have to be patient with us, Judge.
I have so much patience. I have 2 pockets today.
Do they have holes, Judge?
No, no holes. And I have a purse to put it in too. All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 8312 State versus Valerie D. Rodriguez. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state?
Robert Ramirez for Mr. Rodriguez, Your Honor.
And are you Miss Rodriguez? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? You're gonna make sure you keep your voice up so I can hear and the court reporter can hear. Are you saying Valerie D. Rodriguez was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8312?
No.
Is he Spanish speaker?
He speaks Spanish and I explained to him what's going on. He just asked.
Norma,
questions.
make sure that we have an interpreter. He's Spanish speaker.
Okay, good. You want one now?
Yes. So they're gonna call up an interpreter very quickly and then we'll come right back, call you right back up.
Thank you, Judge. I'm sorry.
You're welcome, no problem.
But just on a side note,
Mhm.
you asked for research. I looked him up. He is the
So we're not-
ex-Sullivan of
yeah.
the Gospel, just FYI. That's just a screenshot.
Oh, yes, yes, because we used to watch it, it used to come on all the time on BET.
Okay.
Yeah, so see, now you
I
know.
watch once in a while, but I don't watch. Yeah,
Yeah,
I will watch. I will try. Something different, right?
all righty,
Thank you, Judge.
sure. All right, who's next?
Page 5 at the bottom. Donald.
Donald Belzung. Hi. All right, Deputy Laura, we have another attorney who's back for vacation, so we're gonna see how long the glow lasts.
Well, it's been a long week, so it's fading. Yeah, it's been fading quickly. Monday, I felt good.
Yeah, Vashon, like you, he's back from vacation. How long is the glow gonna last?
It's over pretty much. The
I
last
tell
week's
you,
fading.
you were in my favorite neck of the woods. I love that
It
area.
was the first time I'd ever been. Like I had waited, I had to wait.
Mhm.
Pour. Then I could afford it. And then I was waiting for my kids to get old enough for that
Yeah.
cross. And so we finally went. Yeah, it was fun.
I love it. And you know what I love about traveling there in that area? Everything is so walkable, right?
It is, especially Paris. Paris is very well.
You know, that's my favorite place in the world. And I think I've been there about maybe 10 times.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Well, I tell people it's as expensive as you want to make it.
Sure.
And
Sure.
I don't make it that expensive.
Very true.
If I bring back a gift, it's usually for my mom or some family members, but I'm not spending it. If only I drank alcohol.
Yeah, that was expensive. Yeah.
Let me just tell you, here's the funniest thing. We were at a lunch, a group of us, right?
Oh, good guy.
And in glass.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. But I'm in awe of you. Did you go to the very top of the Eiffel Tower?
So I had to change my on my phone. I had to change the time zone. Like there was all these things you had to do to do it right at midnight Paris time, which
Yeah.
was 5 p.m. And then keep refreshing. And so yeah, we went to the very, very, very top.
See, my plan was to do that.
It was hard. It was
But
hard.
heights are a thing for me. So once I got to that point where you can feel the wind blowing, I was like, yeah, I'm tapping out. Y'all let me know. Be sure to take a photo up there.
To be honest, it was just okay. Like I had read that. It's like the cool thing about the Eiffel Tower is more about looking at it from afar. Being because like once you're up it, you're like, well, I don't see the Eiffel Tower. Now I see it, which was cool to see
Yeah.
everything else. But it was okay. I wouldn't do it again.
But I'm glad you enjoyed it. I
Yeah, it was
love
awesome.
that area.
It was awesome. I waited forever, and
Okay.
especially Italy, because like I'm Italian, so like all my family's from there.
Yeah.
And my
Do
dad.
you have
grew-
dual citizenship?
No. My dad's from there, or he passed, but he's from there.
Yeah.
And they were always like, "Oh, I'm gonna take you there someday."
Yeah. You should try to get the dual citizenship.
Yeah, it could be kind of cool.
I mean, you never know. And then,
I have a lot of family that like live in the US right now. They live in like Florida.
but I have to get back to Italy. Italy, I love.
Yeah, the food was awesome.
Yeah.
Venice was so much cheaper than
Yeah.
so London and Paris were like so expensive. And then
London.
Venice was like half price, I felt like. Then
Look,
Rome was like somewhere in the middle.
London is where I fell in love with pizza because that's all I could afford.
The best pizza we had was in Paris. Like it was the best pizza I've ever had. in my life.
In Paris.
It was so good. It was actually better than the pizza I had in Italy.
See, in
It's probably
Paris,
just an Italian person that moved
Yeah.
over.
in Paris, I just love their dough. And I don't care what anybody says, even though I know they didn't invent it, they have the best fries. You don't have
The
to tell
fries are
me.
good and the croissants, I ate like a croissant a day, basically. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It is weird though what people say. They're like, oh, you're gonna do all this and walk so much, you won't gain any weight. And it's like, yeah, there's no way. And I was drinking and I didn't gain any weight because it was like 20,000 steps a day, 25,000.
I always lose weight whenever I go there. So I really wish the US was more walkable.
Yeah, there's nowhere like.
Yeah. And people need to stop walking on the freeway, but, so who do you have?
Belzon, he's an inmate. I came here as soon as I could from CPS court, but I guess
Okay.
y'all are about.
Belzon?
to start Friday.
Yes, we're waiting for the attorney. So, to the clerk, what's your full person's name?
Donald Belzon.
Do you see Donald Belson?
He's in jail, Judge.
Okay, they'll bring him out.
You want
There's still time.
Well, just give us a second. We're gonna see this trial. So it may be the afternoon.
Judge, 'cause we have the
Okay.
jurors outside.
I mean, I could-
All right,
Be back
let's-
on Monday.
Okay, just 1 second. What is happening with Anthony Cantrell and his client? What's going on? Okay, well, tell them to come in. Yes. All right,
And if he wants to shuffle.
yes. All right, I'm waiting for that and I'll take your plea up. Who's it? What page is that?
He's on page 1 at the bottom. It stands 16. He was accepted as a virgin.
All right, Daniel Hastings.
According to
Once that paperwork is completed and you've been sworn in, I will actually take a break from the trial so that we can get your case taken care of.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you so much.
Thank you.
To let you know, it's gonna go to Lieutenant Moreno's email.
All right, it's gonna go to the Lieutenant Moreno's email.
Moreno.
Okay, Judge, I will let her know to look out for the paperwork.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 005918 State versus Edgar Palacios. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Britta for the state.
Gary Chirac for the defendants.
And are you Mr. Palacios? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Palacios, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're waiving count 1, proceeding solely on count 2.
No
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, in count 2, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams as a second-degree felony Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea?
Yeah.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Oh, he has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Palacios, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at a $1,200 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There'll be 120 hours of community service restitution. Random